Hello everyone, I'm Sumitra Pundlik. Today we are going to learn about structure query language and data manipulation language, details about it. So in the previous session, we have learned about different types of structure query language, data definition language, data manipulation language, data control language, and transaction control language. Okay. So in the today's session, we are going to learn about data manipulation language, which is also called as DML. So when we are considering DML, we are going to consider these four different types: select, update, delete, and insert. So what do you mean by select? It extracts the data from database. Update, it updates data in the database. Delete, it deletes data from the database. And insert, it inserts new data into the database. Okay. So here we'll be going to do hands-on of all those commands. So let me first give you some overview of it. So during this particular tutorial, we are going to use these keywords. So keep this in mind. You will not be using these keywords other in any other place. Okay. So we'll be going to use select, star, from, order by. Order by is basically for ascending in ascending or descending order. Then we have ASC for ascending, DSC for descending, and or not. Then we will be using where for condition, limit, distinct, then as, group by, inner join, on, not equal to. Then we will be using insert, update, delete, create. Then table, like, percent, into, values, and drop. Okay. So these are certain keywords that we are going to use when we'll be performing data manipulation language queries. Okay. Then there are certain functions. Those are also called as aggregate functions. Okay, or we can call them as a group by functions. So we'll be using count, mean, max, average, and sum. Okay. So this is a overview of what we are going to cover when we are learning the data manipulation language. So let us consider the table. So we need to create this table first. So table in the SQL, all of you know when we have learned about data definition language. So we need to use create table command to create this particular table. So we need to create a database first, and then we'll be creating a table. So create table, table name. So here in this case, we have create table product, and then product ID, product name, price, and category. And you need to fill this particular data by using insert into command. Okay. So now let us create the table first, and then I will be going to give you demonstration of how to create a table and how to insert data into that particular table. Okay. Okay, so I'll be sharing the other platform of MySQL Workbench. Okay. So here I have created a database, create database company, then use the company, and we'll be creating a table, create table product, then it's integer, and it's a primary key. Then we'll be creating next product name. It's varchar. Data type is varchar for 20, and then price again integer, not null. Okay, so not null is a constant, and finally we have category. It's the varchar 20. Okay. Close the table. Let us execute this command. It's already in exist. Create company one. Use company one. Okay. So table is created, and now we're going to describe the table by using DESC and product. Okay. So this is the table: PID, PName, price, category. Fine. Insert into product in bracket values 101, comma. So let us have this product name. Okay, so control tab. Here is sharing workbench again. Okay, 101. We have Samsung QLED. Okay, then price, for example, 25,000. Let us see 30,000, and category television. Okay, and let us execute this. Okay, so there is an error here. So let me tell you, the error is that I have missed the values. Okay, so there is a keyword. So this is a common mistake which has been done by all the students. Insert into product, and then I need to insert here values. Okay, so these values is very important. If I am not writing these values, it will throw an error. Okay, so write down, make this clear. Insert into product and values, and then I'm going to execute this command. So uh, now I can see here message that the data has been inserted. Okay. So now let us check whether the data has been inserted or not. So for that, we need to use uh, uh, select function, select command. Okay. So select SELECT, select star from product. Okay. So what do you mean by this select star from product? This basically command says that I wanted to select, star means all. Okay, I wanted to select all the rows, all the columns information, uh, and total number of the total rows which is existed in the table. So currently we have only one row which has been inserted. So let me execute this, and we'll be getting this 101 Samsung QLED 30,000 television. Okay. So let me quickly execute the remaining, insert the remaining data as well. Okay, so we'll quickly insert the remaining data, and then we'll see execute some query. Okay, so I'll be taking this, and I'll be quickly inserting few uh, rows here. Okay, let me insert 4 different rows. I'll be changing the data. Here I have Uh, I'll be inserting some products. Okay. For example, here I have TV. Then we have um, Samsung A45, which is of course 50,000, and it's the mobile. Okay. And then we have 103 uh, air refrigerator. Its cost is around 25,000, and it's the category of home appliances. Okay. And then we have here 104. See, I need to make sure that I'm inserting different PID, product ID, because product ID is the primary key here. Okay, so if I'm trying to insert the same product ID, it will show an error and it won't allow you to insert that particular data. Okay. Um, so here I have Whirlpool mixer. Okay, it costs around 5,000, and it's again type of kitchen kitchenware. Okay, done. So let me execute all those. I need to select these and then I need to execute. So it will help me to execute this. Okay. Again, I'll be getting error because I haven't selected this insert. So I need to select this insert and select complete data and execute it. Okay. So now to see the complete rows, what I need to do again, I need to use this command select star from product. Okay. So now let us see what output I'll be getting after. So see. Here I'll be getting all the four rows that I have inserted here, 101 to 104, and product name, price, and category. Okay. So I hope you are clear with this. Okay. So now let us move ahead and see the first command or the different types of command. Those are available in the select. Okay. Okay. So now I'll be again sharing. So now let us see this query. So we have created the data and we saw the first select query. Then the same as I have explained. So basic form of the select query is select attribute from, and we need to see the put the condition. So here we haven't yet considered any condition. So now let us understand the first query. Select star from product where category is equal to home appliances. So let us visualize the output. Okay, so this is my data. This data we have with us. Product ID, product name, price, and category, and the data. And if I am applying this particular query on this particular table, so what output I am getting? So this is the input table and this is the output table which I am getting after applying the query select star from product where category is equal to home appliances. So here select star means all. So that's why I'm getting all the rows, okay, or all the columns. Then from which table? From the product table. And where here I am putting the condition. So here which category I am expecting is I am expecting the category home appliances. Okay. So that's why the matching condition is category. So wherever home appliances is there, that particular data is going to fetch and I'll be getting all the column information related to the data which is satisfied by the home appliance. Okay. So clear with this? So select star from product where category is equal to home appliances. Okay. So same select query we are using, but here we have used the condition. Okay. So this is called as a condition clause or where clause, which is used as a part of select statement. Okay. So now here we will be going to apply one more condition, selection and projection. Okay. So here we are going to see what do you mean by select and what do you mean by projection. Okay. So here in this case, if you can see the previous query, select star. Star helps me to select all the columns. Okay. But if I want only selected column, only particular column, then what I can do, I can use this particular projection. Okay. So projection helps me to select only required columns for my data output. So here I have PID, PName, price and category. But among those, if I only need PID, PName and price, so for that what I need to do, I need to write PID, PName and price here in the projection part. Okay. So instead of start, what we are writing only column names, which are basically helping me to give the selected columns data. So select PID, PName, price from product table, where here now we have a condition price greater than equal to 32,000. Okay. So here I am getting the data, which is basically satisfying the price constraint, which is greater than 32,000. So this is the condition we have put. Okay. So the notations we saw this is a schema, product, PID. PID is primary key, pre-name, price and category. These all are column names. And this is a query, select from where. These are clauses. This is projection. This is table name and this is conditional statement. And finally, what you are getting answer as a schema that you want to select along with the rows which are satisfying the condition. Okay. So this is the input schema and this is the output schema after applying this particular query. Okay. Thank you. That's it for the day from my side. In the next session, we are going to cover the advanced queries which are part of data manipulation language. Thank you.